Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Easy Mops is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning tools for maintaining a sparkling clean floor in your home, and today, we will explore the best options available in the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall cleaning effectiveness to help you make an informed decision on your next purchase. We will look at different types of easy mops, from spin mops to flat mops, considering factors such as their microfiber materials, handle length, and water absorption capacity, to ensure you find the perfect mop to suit your cleaning needs and preferences. Number 5. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Kit. This innovative 2-in-1 tool combines the best of a broom and a mop, eliminating the need for a dustpan or bucket. It's the perfect solution for quick and efficient floor cleaning. Use the dry cloths to trap and lock away dirt, dust, and hair. Its thousands of microscopic fibers attract and trap even the tiniest particles. For a deeper clean, switch to the wet mopping cloths. These pre-moistened cloths dissolve dirt and grime, leaving your floor sparkling. It's safe for use on tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring. However, please avoid using it on unfinished, oiled, or waxed wood, unsealed tiles, or carpeted floors. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or any small living space. Get an effective clean in minutes. The uniquely designed cloths trap dirt deep within their core, preventing it from being re-released onto your floor. Assembling it is a breeze. Simply click the poles together, wrap the cloth around the head, and secure it in place. It's that simple. Buy with confidence. If you're not completely satisfied, check out our money-back guarantee. We're sure you'll love it. What we like? It effectively traps dirt and dust, and it's suitable for both wet and dry cleaning. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces. If you live in a small apartment or dorm, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. This 2-in-1 broom mop combo is so easy. Dry cloths snatch up dust and hair like magic, and the wet ones blast through grime in minutes. Works great on my hardwood and tile, no mess left behind. It shipped quickly, was easy to assemble, didn't need the instructions, and it's easy to maneuver around. The dry and wet pads work well, picking up dust and leaving a fresh, pleasant scent after mopping. It's especially convenient for quick cleanups without having to break out a heavier mop. Number 4. Spray Mop Cleaning System. Say goodbye to messy buckets and heavy mops. This system makes cleaning a breeze. Simply fill, spray, and mop. No batteries are needed. Just fill the bottle and pull the trigger for a fine mist. It works great even dry. Its absorbent mop head leaves your floor sparkling clean and streak-free. Enjoy a spotless finish every time. It's so lightweight and easy to maneuver, you'll wonder why you ever used anything else. Cleaning is now a quick and simple task. The rotating head easily reaches under furniture and into tight spaces. Get every nook and cranny sparkling clean. With its sturdy pole and durable mop head, it's designed for long-lasting performance. High-quality materials ensure years of reliable use. This kit includes everything you need: the mop, a refillable bottle, 3 microfiber pads, and a scraper for tough stains. You're all set for sparkling floors. What we like? It's lightweight and easy to use, leaving your floor spotless without any streaks. No more heavy buckets or complicated processes. If you are looking for a convenient and effortless cleaning experience, this is the mop for you. What people say. It's sturdy, well-made, very light to work with, lets me clean my floors with whatever I chose, instead of Swiffer and other name brands, and does not require batteries. It also has a very wide spray arc and uses wide microfiber pads, which makes it way easier to clean. Works great, easy to fill, picks up dirt well, easy to use, swivel head is easy to use and go around furniture easy to remove pad and add it back. After I finally figured out how to fill it, with the help of the manufacturers. This product cleans up my hardwood quickly without too much work. Seems very sturdy, easy to use with my arthritic hands, and gets the dog's little footprints off of my floors. Number 3. Beyoco Spray Mop. It features a new liquid release device with an enhanced trigger, preventing leakage. Cleaning your floors is now easier than ever. The extended handle prevents back strain. Its high-quality materials ensure comfort and durability. Simply press the trigger for a water mist. The rotating head cleans every corner, even hard-to-reach spots. It's perfect for walls, windows, ceilings, and under furniture. It comes with 3 washable pads that are easy to change. The microfiber effectively absorbs dirt and dust. Fill the 400 milliliters bottle with water and your favorite cleaning solution. A small amount of water in the pipe after testing is normal. Avoid strong acids or alkalis in the bottle. Dilute thick cleaning solutions before use and clean the bottle and nozzle after each use. Each mop is tested before shipping. Contact us immediately if you receive a used item. What we like. This mop boasts a sealed reservoir to prevent leaks and a long handle to protect your back. The 360 degrees rotating head ensures you can clean every corner. If you value a leak-proof design and ergonomic cleaning, this is a great option. What people say. The mop is lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas like under furniture and in corners. The spray mechanism is simple to operate, providing a fine mist of cleaning solution with just a press of the handle. The mop comes with multiple microfiber pads that are machine washable. They pick up dirt, dust, and spills effortlessly, and after a quick wash, they are ready to be used again. This mop works well on a variety of floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. Number 2. BISSELL SpinWave Hard Floor Expert. Say goodbye to scrubbing. It features powerful spin technology and reusable mop pads that do all the hard work for you, leaving your floor sparkling. Safe for use on various sealed hard floors. It easily tackles tough messes on wood, tile, linoleum, and more, keeping your floors looking their best. With its on-demand spray feature, you can precisely target and remove stains with ease. Simply push a button to dispense cleaning solution for effective cleaning. Its lightweight design and swivel steering make it simple to navigate around furniture and baseboards, ensuring thorough cleaning in every corner. It comes with 6 reusable mop pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions. That's enough for 6 full cleaning sessions, so you can get started right away. Experience effortless cleaning with this innovative spin mop. It's the perfect solution for maintaining sparkling clean floors with minimal effort. What we like. It features powerful spinning action and washable pads for a long-lasting clean. The targeted spray helps tackle tough stains effectively. If you need a powerful and efficient clean for sealed hard floors, this is the one for you. What people say. The unit came in 2 pieces but attached. The handle snaps easily into the base and you are ready to go. Instructions were clear and actually self-explanatory. Extremely easy to move across the floor. The unit itself is lightweight. The mop heads are Velcro and I haven't had any issues with them coming off during use so far. The soft side of the Velcro is on the mop head so they don't snag on things in the washer. Number 1. BOSHENG Hands-Free Flat Mop. It has a 360 degrees rotatable rectangular mop head, perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach corners and narrow spaces. Say goodbye to dirt hiding in corners. The flat mop head automatically rebounds, so you can wring it out without touching the dirty part. Keep your hands clean and dry. This bucket has 2 compartments, one for clean water and one for dirty water. The built-in squeegee makes cleaning and controlling moisture a breeze. All the pieces fit neatly inside the bucket for easy storage. It's compact and won't take up much space in your home. 3 super absorbent microfiber pads are included. They're machine washable, so you can keep them clean and ready to use. It's great for both wet and dry cleaning, making it perfect for all your floor and window cleaning needs. Use it on any floor type. What we like. This mop and bucket set offers a hands-free wringing system and a 360 degrees rotating mop head for easy corner cleaning. Its compact design makes storage a breeze. If you value convenience and efficient storage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect size to store away. Sturdy, mops well. Nice mop pads. Unit removes perfect amount of water from mop to mop. Wheels roll well. I love that they provide extra mop pads for you to be able to change them and that it has notches for you to lock them into place. I love that, although when you get a mop you have to basically build, you can feel the weakness in the stick, but this stick is sturdy. It doesn't wobble in the joints. And the metal is firm, not flimsy. I love not having to bend over to wring anything out, and although I used to be biased against anything not a traditional cotton mop head, I don't miss the random cotton braided stands all over the place after mopping. I love that I'm able to disinfect, most times with bleach, my floor without degrading the mop head. I love how effective it is at actually cleaning my floor without the extra weight of the wet hair slinging around behind it. It's just a less strenuous job, yet still gets the job done. I'm a stickler for a clean floor, so I also love the fact that the mop pads can be swapped out and washed disinfected as needed. So while one is dirty, I can just use another clean one. I love that the wringer not only extracts water, but also scrapes off any dust and debris that gets stuck to the mop pad. And that even when full, the bucket isn't super heavy, so even on my floor's deep cleaning days, I can easily empty my dirty water and refill with clean to mop a second time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.